I know that we did not make the Q&A video last week, and I'm really sorry about it, guys. I know a lot of you are disappointed. Some of you even expressed your disappointment in the comments box, but a lot of other things were happening in this period. I met the great Kapil Dev. I interviewed him over 5G technology and how technology is going to shape up the future of sports and entertainment industry in India. That interview is now live on our Hindi channel, so go watch that out. I also experienced Airtel's 5G infrastructure, and Simran went to the Lakme Fashion Week and she got her hands on the Realme GT2 Pro before its India launch. So we have given you a first look of that phone as well. So a lot of these things are happening because of which we could not do the Q&A last week. But here I am back again with all your questions, and I'm gonna try and answer those questions in today's video. In case you have more questions, then definitely put them up in the comments section. Use the hashtag Let's Get Techie, and I'll take up all of them in the next video. First question I have is from TRMN8. Can you recommend some earbuds around the price range of 2 to 3,000? The spec should be a decent battery life, sound quality and low latency. See, I keep telling everyone there are very few good TWS at this price point. Most of them are likely to disappoint you in one or the other aspect. Even then, if you want to stick to this particular budget, I'll recommend you the Realme Buds Air 2. Go check them out. There's a new pair of TWS which Realme is going to launch very soon, next week, along with the Realme GT2 Pro. So you can wait for that as well. Wait till 7th April, see what Realme has in store, and maybe then you can make a better choice. Next question is from Somdev 1977, and सवाल नहीं है, feedback है. The background music in last Q&A interfered a bit with the clarity of voice. So maybe you guys could look into it next time. आ जाओ जी मनमीत जी, आ जाओ, आप इधर आ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. तो ये this is Manmeet will have to apologize to Somdev ji because this is next time we'll make sure that there is no issue in terms of background music. So we'll make sure that you get better videos from our side. Cool? Yes. Next question is, we need a detailed review of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Is it worth upgrading from S21 Ultra, which I bought recently? So the full review is up on the channel. I'm sure you must have watched it by now. Shutter Eyes, by the way, has asked this question. I'm really sorry I forgot to mention the name, but the review is out there. Go check that out. If you have any questions, ask. I don't think that you should spend on S22 Ultra if you have the S21 Ultra already with you, because the only major upgrade is in terms of that S Pen that you are getting now within the phone. Apart from that, it's more or less the same phone. Design is also slightly different, but yeah, performance wise, daily use is more or less same. So stick with your S21 Ultra for a while before switching to the next phone. रत्नेश शास्त्री जी का सवाल है, भाई बैटरी कैसी है S22 अल्ट्रा की, क्या दिन भर चलेगी? हिंदी में सवाल था, हिंदी में ही जवाब दे देता हूँ. बैटरी ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया नहीं है, क्योंकि फ़ोन बहुत डिमांडिंग है. चाहे डिस्प्ले की बात कर लो, चिपसेट की बात कर लो, एकदम पावरफुल चिप है, पावरफुल डिस्प्ले है, हाई रेजोल्यूशन है, हाई रिफ्रेश रेट है, तो बैटरी जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ ड्रेन होती है एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर मिड रेंज स्मार्टफोन्स. तो सुबह अगर लेके निकलोगे, मान के चलना शाम तक एक बार तो आपको फ़ोन चार्ज करना ही पड़ेगा. Next comment, again a feedback, and this one also requires Manmeet's presence, so please come here again, because this time NNJ has said Fiiber has the best logo and animation. Also, you're good to be said not to watch. I mean, I don't know the second part, but Fiiber has the best logo and animation, so that's a huge feedback for Manmeet, because he's the one who designed the logo, all the elements, the entire look and feel of the channel. So great job, Manmeet.
Thank you.
अब आप वापस जा सकते हो. So couple of feedbacks there for Manmeet. Now last question. What is your opinion between the S22, the regular S22 and S21 FE? Lot of Samsung questions by the way today, maybe because we also reviewed a few devices very recently, so that's why. But yeah, so S22 and S21 FE, see, a question is from Yogesh Nikam, by the way. So I would suggest, if your requirements aren't like, you know, too much, if you're not expecting too much out of your phone, then definitely you should go with S21 FE, because more or less performance is same, but it gives you a better battery life. Now S22, the problem is, it's a great phone. I said in my review that I'm going to recommend it to a lot of people, but the battery backup isn't the same. The battery is small, and of course you're going to struggle with that. Also in terms of price, now S21 FE is going to cost you about 23,000 rupees less than the S22, and I'm not even counting the bank discounts here. So with that, it's gonna even cost you less. So that's a lot of money that you're gonna save. So if you are confused between these two phones, and if you are a normal user, if you don't want anything out of the box from your phone, then definitely go for S21 FE. So this is it, guys. These were the questions for this week. Now I want you guys to show us a little more love. It takes a lot of effort to make these videos, and the way YouTube algorithm works, I've been saying it repeatedly. If you don't like, if you don't comment, if you don't share the videos, they won't travel anywhere. So let's beat this algorithm, because I know the feedback that we have been getting, a lot of you are actually liking our content, but the views do not reflect that. So please help us out. Also, we have a community on social media. We are on Instagram, so go follow us there. You can also put in your questions directly on Instagram, on Twitter. Twitter is a new space for us. We have just started tweeting on Fiiber, so go and follow us there, share your questions there as well. And of course, we are on Facebook as well, so you can watch all our videos on Facebook too. I'll meet you in next week's video. Please fill that comment section with all your questions. Thank you so much.